Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close your positions or position on markets.com. So right now we are here on the chart and see right here our watch list. But what we're going to do is we select right here portfolio. And then you can find right here, if you click here on the arrows, all the trades that we created. So you see right here that we just bought, here that we sold. And if you want to close a position, you can select right here on the cross. And then you can decide if you want to take partial profit. And then with that, I mean, you can also close right here 0.03. And then we have still a little bit in common right there. But let's say we want to close it right there. And then we close it. Now we can also do this right here for this one. Click right here on close. We are not available to do less than 0.05. But now we click on close and we close this trade right here. If you want to close everything, you can select right here on close all. Click here on close all positions. And now we closed all our positions for that gold trade. So this is how you can close your positions on markets.com. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.